Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use Orca Slicer to emboss on 3D prints. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to just put your model onto your plate, and from here you just want to select the model that you want to put a text on. In my case it's going to be this one. You then want to click on the emboss option or the T on your keyboard in order to basically use the emboss text. In here, let's just use the default one, which is the emboss text. And if you want to emboss it even further, you have the height option right here. So you could just simply manually adjust this depending on your preference. From there, make sure that the join is selected, so it will actually join in with our model. And if you want to change the color of this text, you could just right click on it, click on change filament, and then let's change it to something like red. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.